everyone, I'm teacher Janelle with VIP Kid, and today I was going to share some tips and tricks about using your puppets. First, do not use a stuffed animal. These are not puppets. Their mouths don't move. And what really gives the magic to using these puppets is redirection. It is magic. It's smoke and mirrors. And the eyes will be directed to whatever is moving. So if I am moving by doing anything over here, and he is not moving at all, is not enough, they are going to continue to watch me, maybe watch him in passing. Not a puppet. Tip number 1. Use a real puppet with a mouth that moves. Tip number 2, keep your puppet alive. If your puppet's on screen, it's breathing, it's living, it's responding, and it's engaging with not only you, but the child. So it can listen very carefully. It can give high fives. It can demonstrate high fives. High five to you. Yes, good job. High five to her. Yes, very good. If it doesn't even have to talk, but if it's something to get these kids to look at the screen and follow directions, that's enough. It's modeling. Also, tip number 3, don't show your arm. I know, they know, it's a puppet. I know, they know, I have my arm in it. But it really does reduce the amusement factor. In my opinion, it reduces the amount of smoke and mirrors that you can present if you don't keep it down where it can stay alive and not be dead. This is dead. This is alive, dead. All right. Distractions are the thing to do when you can't be a ventriloquist. So if you talk out of the side of your mouth like this, turn your face. Now people can't see as much what I'm saying. There's a second part to this. If I am moving and she is not, they're still going to watch my mouth. It's not good. So she needs to move more than me because movement draws the eye. So I'm going to introduce her to the side and hide my very bad ventriloquism skills, but keeping her alive at a higher rate than me. Okay, so here it goes. Hi, my name is Amy. It's nice to meet you. Hi, Amy. Amy, how old are you? I'm 5. Oh, she is 5. Okay, make sure you look at your doll because where you look, the kids look. And whatever's moving is what they look at. All right, one more. Puppets are not just for babies. They are for the big kids too. So don't forget that. Also, incorporate them in as many lessons as you can. I used to just bring her out for trials or my first level 2s, level 1, level 2, and then I just sort of forget about her. But I have learned that she is fabulous for explaining concepts. For example, in one of the lessons we talk about excuse me and may I and these things that are being polite. And so I use her to explain that. For example, excuse me. Excuse me, please. Yes. May I borrow this book, please?
Yes, you may.
Oh, thank you. So I can use her to explain excuse me. Also like this. Excuse you.
Excuse me.
Oh, okay. I want you to notice I did something different this time. I didn't turn away from her because she was moving forward. I would continue to look at her naturally, but because she took up the screen and she had more movement than me, I did not go forward with her. You watched her talk, not me.
You're watching me right now, aren't you?
See? My own children cannot see my mouth move. They have told me over and over, how do you do it? I'm just masking. I'm just using smoke and mirrors.
Yep, smoke and mirrors.
And I would encourage everyone to just have fun with it. Whatever you do, make them alive and bigger than you. Okay, bye everyone. Thank you for watching.